What's up, you guys? Long time no see. Been super busy with agency side of stuff, which I'm very grateful for. Got some new clients. They're doing really well, hitting some record months on that side of things. But I haven't been posting much about the community lately that I've been running for the past couple of years just because I've been so caught up with the agency stuff. But I don't want you guys to think that we're not absolutely crushing it. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you we're still crushing it. Thankfully, at this point in time, I'm still very involved with the community and the fulfillment. Like, I handle all the fulfillment, looking to hire into that or hire some help into that. But I do have some help with a lot of the other stuff, which allows me to focus on growing the agency. For context on the agency side of things, we have like 5 or 6 clients, and we're doing really well. And so I do like to focus on that stuff too, because I want to remain in the game as I run this community. I don't want to be the guy that, owns a community or coaching program or something and isn't in the game anymore. So I want to be in the game. I want to play at a high level. Maybe once we get to, $1 million collected through the agency, we'll be more vocal about what's going on. But until then, it's a little bit low key. But yeah, getting back to the point of this video, guys, I kind of got a weird setup here because Instagram won't let you record Loom, or won't let you record the camera with Loom. It's kind of interesting, but I was going to split screen here and just kind of like humbly brag about some of the awesome stuff that's been going through. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably see this on the stories. That's where I post most of it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, some of this might be new to you. I don't really post about it too much on Twitter these days anymore, or TikTok, definitely not anything like that. So I just kind of wanted to click through here and like kind of show you guys what's going on. This is going back to 15 weeks ago. We filled up. I have another wins number 1 highlight that was completely full, 100 stories of jobs landed, commissions earned, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, just want to click through here and hit on some of the cool stuff that's going on. So like, we got guys in here, community OG, I won't dox, but this guy's girlfriend did $12,000 in January, missions DM setting, not in the US either. Diavin is a community OG, man, just like hopping. We actually poached him for one of our offers, but he's like crushing it. This is a pretty old interview that I have with John though, but he said, 20 days to get a job that paid him 10K per month. Obviously a lot of work put in on his end. Gary got connected with an awesome offer here in Austin. This keeps going. Got connected with an awesome offer in Austin and crushing it straight out of solar sales. Adam landing a job out of Ireland. Let's get to some more recent stuff here. Carson had a 10K week closing. He joined the community. He was already making 20K per month. He had a 40K month, I want to say, in February. Mom, this is a pretty crazy one, man. Making 4 to 5K per month. The Maldives, native to the area, not a tourist. Adam crushing it. So like two months ago, Adam quit his job at Red Bull, went all in with appointment setting, and within the second month, I don't know how much he made, but much more than what he did at Red Bull, and doing it from anywhere in the world. We got guys like Vance. So Vance has a coaching call in the community, but he had a $6,000 Zoom call, basically $6,000 commission Zoom call. George is another community OG, just consistently collecting cash and getting paid. He's been making 10, 15K per month for the past year plus every month. This one is one that I kind of like to show a lot. Kasha out of the UK, landed with an American-based company, 2K base, 4-week timeline. So 6 to 8K per month OTE. Pretty crazy. Noah is one of the ones I like to show as well. There's some other stuff in here from Noah, but we have a full interview, which is on the YouTube. It's like 2 videos back. You can find it. But Garrett, first month in the space, left his hospitality job, was making 2 to 3K per month. And I wish I could pause these more. Actually, I can right here. He had 7K in his first month. We have Carolyn. She's one of the people that really helped me out with the client success related stuff. And so every Tuesday and Thursday, she's sending back to the team updates from everyone. And, feel free to read these, but they're pretty freaking sweet. They're like 99% positive, which is good fuel for myself and the team to see that and just push ahead. This one's pretty awesome. Jesse actually works with us with one of the agency clients as one of his gigs, but just want to shout out the community. I'm not very active in here, but we have so many people willing to help. I've exceeded my W-2 income in only my second full month in the high ticket space. Can't wait to see where I end up after my 6th month. And also Jesse was in tech sales. So it's not like he was making $2,000 a month, like bagging groceries. Like he was in a career. Jesse's a really solid guy. We got guys obviously getting hired, getting paid. Julian quit a job where he had to travel all the time. Jaime from my hometown, San Antonio, landed his first role. Filmed an interview with Burhan. It's actually, I think, the last video on the YouTube channel. This is the one with Noah. So he came down. I went down to San Antonio. He came down. He was stationed there, military, and we had to hit up Topgolf, mandatory. David had I don't know exactly, mid 20K month managing a new team. Went out and splurged on some jewelry for him and his friend, which is awesome. This one I like to show too. Mark, college student, I think University of Miami. He's in Miami. I'm not going to read all this, but within like 2 weeks, landed a job with a massive company, applied to 9 jobs, had 3 offers, accepted a role in under 2 weeks, and then closed $6K on his second day with probably about 10% commission. So $600 a day. Pretty crazy. Some awesome stuff here. Vance, first week back vacation, 37.25 in that first week back. And then Derek is also another guy we poached for one of our offers, but he has a side gig too, which is awesome. Derek joined the community. He's making 20K per month as well, selling real estate coaching, and has since moved on from that. But these are the types of guys you're getting surrounded with in the community. There's like 200 people in it. Been running it for 2 years. It's not bloated, super lean, super, everyone's in there because they want to be connected to others. Justin came back recently, got active in the community. I think a couple slides over, I'll show you what he was able to achieve. Yeah, it's this right here. So just landed a massive sales manager role, 15K base, 10% commission on a 25K product. That is like the largest base I've ever seen in this space. That company, from what I understand, does 350K per month. So 10% commission, add that up. It's a lot of freaking money. And it's awesome for Justin because he's a solid dude. His family is going to be taken care of massively. And he's been in the community for like a year and a half now. One of the older members, I have an interview with him as well, actually. This is an awesome one. I want to get the interview with Vance lined up soon here, but paid off nearly 50K of debt in the first 7 months of being here. And he went to Puerto Rico for like 2 weeks or something. Yeah, I mean, that is just like straight like proof. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Philip got a job with Jeremy Miner. Many of you guys know him. Huge sales trainer. I think they do 35 million a year. Philip is from Serbia, so complete opposite side of the world from the U.S. Been working with U.S. companies. When he joined the community, he was making about 12 grand a month, and again, just joined for connections, opportunities, all that kind of stuff. Philip is one of the best guys in the community, in my opinion, to get connected with because he knows everyone and he knows about good roles when they're posted. Trevor landed a job in 2 weeks. I mean, it doesn't say that here. Landed a job in 2 weeks, being like digital nomad, and then first commission payout. Pretty sweet. Owen accepted his first offer. So the one that I posted a while ago about this guy's girlfriend doing 12.5K hit me up again. This is a few months later. My girlfriend did a 15K month. Thank you for all the help. Strictly in the DMs, DM texting, and they're not even in the US. They're in Europe. And That's insane. And they're college students. So some social proof there for sure. Tons of wins, guys. Tons of wins. I like this one a lot. So Garrett came back this month over 10K. So the first one that he quit his job was 7K. This one was 10K. And actually, I think if we skip ahead here, I posted this and then he clarified it was actually 13K. So he almost doubled what he made. He also went on a company retreat with his team. I think they brought him out to North Carolina, had like a whole weekend with a team. It looked fun. I wish I could have gone to something like that. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. My boy Michael, I used to serve tables in 2019 with Michael in San Antonio, and he joined the community just like everyone else, paid for it, did the work, quit his job. He was in logistics sales, got a job in like 2 weeks after quitting, and then 3 closes today in his first week. I think he had 7 in his adding on to that in the first week. I think he had 7. But yeah, and then awesome testimonial from Mauricio here. He's been in for a little bit, leveraging up into better and better offers. New offer accepted, setter role accepted. A lot of stuff going on. First commission secured, onboarding tomorrow. Big win right here, guys. So Christopher joined the community, was doing about 14K per month. And hey, guys, I just want to give a big shout out to Dylan. Over the last few weeks, I've been interviewing with 3 solid 20K plus on target earnings offers. 2 of them from my community directly. He took a trial call, closed 5K PIF, 15% commission. We had posted this in the group, but thanks again, brother. It was well worth the investment. So if guys who are already clearing 150K per year or 140K or whatever in his case are saying this kind of stuff, it's probably true. I don't know. I don't make the rules. And I just posted this today, man. Noah, in 3 months, 4x his investment into the community. Here's that interview. And then Dennis, pretty small. This is off Twitter, but one of the quickest ROIs investments in my life. Shout out Serial Sales. I have a full interview with Dennis. He was doing like 18K months on a business coaching offer, which is absurd. But yeah. So if you guys are wanting to leave the job you hate, make more money than you're making, have more freedom than you have, enjoy your life, your career, the way that you make money more than you currently do, the community that I've been running is the spot for you. I don't do like Lamborghini marketing. I don't flex rented boats or anything in Miami. Live pretty transparently with everything that I do. I work really hard, 12-hour days most days, Saturday at 1 p.m. And I'm over here filming content with the spare time that I do have. I wanted to bring this up, not to like show off in any way, but pretty crazy revelation. 2 years ago this time, I was taking closing calls, and I had a chance to make $800 in 45-minute call, and I would do it. I would sell a $4,000 product, get 17.5% commission, or whether it's 700 or 800, whatever. But now the evolution of that, so running that sales agency, one of the clients that we just billed for 2 days of work was $50,000. And that's not by any means all profit. And I, have a partner, and we split, and we have expenses and all that. And we pay people. But I just like to show, I wanted to show this to show that we're in the freaking game. We're kind of running a bunch of offers, and we're bringing back hiring opportunities for one into the community, but bringing back insights from the industry at a really high level. And I don't know, a lot of these other guys, man, they make some commissions in the online space. They start a coaching program, and they don't even talk in the thing, which is freaking crazy to me. But anyways, enough of this rant. Appreciate you watching. If you made it this far, was just yapping, to be honest. Appreciate you getting this far if you did. If you are interested in talking with myself or partner Jake about joining the community, go below. The link will be there. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. If you want to suggest some type of content for the YouTube channel, leave it in the comments. Would love to hear what you guys want to see. Otherwise, back to work. Peace.